Measles used to be thought of as a childhood disease until vaccinations came along. Now we have greater numbers of people who over the years have not been vaccinated, and we're finding that teenagers and adults can also be affected by measles. Now, why is measles so important? It is potentially fatal. Okay, let's just not beat around the bush. Potentially fatal at any age. Going through measles is not fun. There is very high fever, cough, diarrhea are some also very important complications we need to discuss. Pneumonia, right? And encephalitis is inflammation, infection of the brain. Those persons who do survive encephalitis may never recover fully, as the brain is extremely sensitive to an inflammatory process. Now, in the United States, we're very fortunate that we have very good medical technology and services if you can get to them. So most people do, in fact, survive measles. But there is an entity called subacute sclerosing panencephalitis that can affect the brain 7 to 10 years later after you've gone through the main measles infection. My job as a doctor is to provide true, factual information so that my patients or anyone out there can benefit from being informed as you make decisions about yourself, your own health, and the health of your family. I do ask you to keep a couple things in mind. From a public health perspective, so far we've had enough people vaccinated to provide herd immunity, meaning if enough of us are immunized, then there aren't these outbreaks. But what we're seeing now in Texas and other parts of the country is that there's enough people unvaccinated that outbreaks are happening. Now, I understand parents' concerns not wanting to expose their children to something that they believe could potentially be harmful. Okay, there is no free lunch in medicine. If you are making these decisions about your family or about yourself, please seek out your doctor, get more information, reach out to us at NeuroCurious. We will happily provide you with links to reputable sources of information. We're here for you. Please take care.